Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Mesh Payments login issues, account and card errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with Mesh Payments, follow these steps to resolve account and card errors. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure you have a stable and reliable network. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials, including your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset process. Once you've received the reset email, follow the instructions provided to create a new password. If you are encountering an account-related error, confirm that your account is still active and not suspended. To do this, check your email for any notifications from Mesh Payments regarding account status. If your account appears to be active, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, close the browser and reopen it before attempting to log in again. If you are using a mobile app, ensure that it is updated to the latest version available. Sometimes, login issues can be related to the payment card you have linked to your account. Make sure that the card information is accurate, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you suspect your card may be causing issues, try adding a different payment method to your account. If you've confirmed that all details are correct but still can't access your account, consider reaching out to Mesh Payments customer support. Provide them with specific details about the issue you are facing for quicker assistance. Finally, ensure that any third-party security software on your device is not blocking the login process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues with Mesh Payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.